Hello students, welcome back to KV Rai Academy online study channel. Myself Ramasys Maurya, your chemistry teacher. In previous video, we discussed about atoms and many other things about atom. In this video, we are going to discuss about molecule. As we have already discussed that atoms do not exist in free state. So the atoms of same elements or different elements are combined together. As a result, the particle which is formed by the chemical combination of atoms are called molecules. In molecule, the atoms are bind together by attraction force between them. So we can say that the atoms are combined together to form molecule. We can also say that a molecule is the smallest particle of any any element or molecule which can be in free state or it will be independent. It contains all the characteristics of element or compounds. There are two types of molecules. Types of molecules. First one is molecule of element and second one is molecule of compounds. So first of all we will discuss molecule of elements. Element says also molecule. The atoms of elements also make molecule. For example, hydrogen. The two atoms of hydrogen combine together and form hydrogen molecule. This is hydrogen molecule H2. You can see here two atoms of hydrogen make a molecule of hydrogen. So the number of atoms which is used to form a molecule is known as atomicity of the element. One another example, oxygen. The two atoms of oxygen make oxygen molecule. So the atomicity of oxygen is also 2. Sulfur. In sulfur, 8 atoms of sulfur make sulfur molecule. So S8. S8, this is the sulfur molecule. So all the elements form the molecules and they have different atomicity. It may be 2, 3, 4 this way. So the atomicity of the elements will be different. After that we will discuss molecule of compounds. In compound, the atoms of different elements combine together to form the molecule of compound. So we can say that the different elements atom join together in a definite proportional to form the molecule of compound. The molecule of compound may be monoatomic, diatomic or triatomic or polyatomic. After that, we can conclude, or our conclusion is that the molecule of elements are homoatomic, means the molecule of element has same nature, but the molecule of compound are heteroatomic, means the nature of here in molecule of compound there are different atoms combined together to form the molecule of compound. After that, we will discuss ions. As we have already discussed that atoms do not exist in independent state, so that they form ion to combine together or with other atoms. For example, sodium, as you know, sodium, its atomic number is 11. In sodium outer orbit there is one electron, so the sodium leaves it one electron and forms the stable octet. As you can see, its electronic configuration 281. When it gives one electron, so it will be sodium ion, and in this one when it leaves one electron it will be 28. So now sodium find octet. So to attain the stability, elements or atom takes electron or gives electron to sustain the stability and find the nearest octet. Chlorine also, as you know, chlorine 17, 287. So in chlorine's outer orbit there is 7 electron. So chlorine cannot give 7 electron. So it takes 1 electron from any other atom and found its stability. So when it takes electron, it will be in negative charge because electron has negative charge. So chlorine minus, it will be 288, and this is the octet and this is stable position. So this way the atoms give electron or take electron to find the stability and their noble gas configuration, and they form positive ion which is called cations and negative ions which is also called anions. So today we discussed molecules and types of molecules and ions also. That's all. Thank you.